Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Indian Kitchen Abroad. This week we are making Kashmiri Dum Aloo. First of all, it feels so good to be using daylight to film this video. This is the first video I'm doing when the sun is still up. It feels weird, but good weird. Anyway, Kashmiri Dum Aloo is made using baby potatoes and a yogurt based gravy. There is no chopping for this, no onions, no tomatoes. Yogurt gives that sourness for the curry. The only difficult step for this recipe is peeling these baby potatoes. First, this peeler is not that good, so I used a knife. Too much waste, not efficient, so I went back to that peeler. But then the potatoes kept popping out of my hand. They were too small to hold and peel, but with some struggle I finished peeling all of them. This step took me most of the time, my energy and my concentration. I never thought I would say concentration. I was afraid I might peel away my skin instead of potato skin. Now boil these for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are 70 to 80% done, and don't forget to add salt to the water. Once they are 80% done, drain the water and let these cool down for some time. Then poke the holes in these potatoes with a fork, just pricking. We are going to finish these in the gravy and these holes will help them to soak up some of that gravy. Now you can deep fry this if you want. I'm just going to pan fry them until they get nice golden brown color. Add some oil into a pan, preferably mustard oil. Add the potatoes and fry them until they get some nice golden brown color. Next step is easy. Add some of that same oil into a different pan or same pan, doesn't matter. Heat up that oil and add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, couple of bay leaves, a cracked and opened black cardamom pod, about a teaspoon of Asafetida, turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chili powder. This chili powder is mild and gives more of that red color. Give this chili powder a mix in that oil to release its natural red color. Add a tablespoon of coriander powder and about a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Give it a mix and saute these spices for a few seconds and add a splash of water so that you don't burn the spices. Cook these spices in that water until the oil releases from the edges. Now reduce the heat to absolute low and depending on how much gravy you want, add some beaten yogurt. You don't want any lumps in that yogurt, just whisk it nice and add the yogurt into the pan with spices. Again, heat is at absolute low. If you add yogurt when the heat is high, the yogurt splits and forms into curds, which you definitely don't want. So at a low temperature, keep stirring the yogurt with all the spices and gradually increase the heat. Also, fennel is heavily used in Kashmiri cooking. Add about a teaspoon of fennel powder, and once the yogurt is all mixed up with the spices, cook this until the oil floats on the top. That is an indication that everything in the pan is cooked. At this stage, add the potatoes and cook until the potatoes are completely done, maybe for another 10 to 15 minutes. You can add water to the gravy if you want. Now when the curry reaches your desired consistency and the potatoes are done, finish it with some Garam Masala and fresh coriander leaves. Also adjust the salt according to your taste, and that is it. You can sprinkle some fennel powder at the end, cumin powder, and top it off with some fresh coriander leaves. It looks red, but it's not that spicy. That red color comes from that Kashmiri red chili powder we used. So don't be threatened by that red color. This goes well with anything, you name it. Roti, naan, rice, anything works. I've got some chapatis for my dinner tonight. That's it for today guys, thanks for watching. Try this, you're going to like it. This will be a change from the regular onion and tomato curries. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like, share the video and consider subscribing. I'll see you next week.